Riffs and runs are both rapid movements between notes, but with a slight twist. Riffs. Think of a riff as a quick decoration on a single syllable. It adds a flourish without necessarily moving up or down a scale. Runs. Runs are like vocal acrobatics. They're a series of notes sung quickly, often ascending or descending a scale. Singorama is here to help you conquer these riffs and runs. Here's your roadmap to success. Warm-up. It's crucial to prepare your voice. Singorama has fantastic warm-up exercises to get your vocal cords nice and loose. Start slow. Break down the riff or run you want to learn. Singorama offers isolated practice tracks to focus on each note transition smoothly. Master the vowels. Use neutral vowels like wa or e to isolate the sound and avoid getting caught up on lyrics. Focus on breath control. Riffs and runs require precise breath control. Singorama has exercises to strengthen your diaphragm and ensure smooth transitions. Sing along with the pros, learn from the best. Singorama features professional singers demonstrating different riffs and runs you can practice along with. Singorama doesn't just give you the tools, we're your personal vocal coach every step of the way. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.